Hello students, I'm back again and with part 2 of my demonstration of you registering your access code and finding your toolkit and your e-text. We were looking at the flashcards and I think those are pretty easy to understand how to use, and definitely they might appear on your quizzes and on your midterm and finals, so it's well worth your while to study these key terms, images, also to do the multiple choice, the fill in the blanks, the critical thinking questions, the key terms, and the map activities. All of these will appear on your quizzes and on your midterm and final. Also, don't forget the interact, the closer look, which takes an object and does just what it says, gives you a closer look at it. And I won't take the time to show you that, but it is an interactive.
Reading the Palette of Narmer. The Egyptians created a
very interesting presentation, as you can tell. And the questions will be extracted from this presentation and put into your quizzes and midterm and final. And then voices is a section where you can listen to and read at the same time an excerpt from a literary or historical
An Akkadian father advises his son.
work. And so again, I advise you to read through this and study it. You've also got chapter summaries, timelines, explore the web, and audio glossary at your disposal. And all of these will help you do well on your assessment. So I highly encourage you to use your Humanities toolkit. Now I'm going to X out of this and go back to our class and show you that in course content, the next button is the button for the e-text. If you have a hard copy of our textbook, you won't need this, but if you've got the e-text version, you will get the e-text along with your toolkit. And to get to it, you log in from Start Here. Of course, if you've already logged in once, you don't have to do it again. Click on e-text, and again notice that it is opening a new window. You'll get this message, this pop-up box. Just click OK, and your e-text will pop up for you. You'll simply click on the link to the chapter you want, and it will take you to the book. And you use your scroll bars to read. You can also use this button to print. You can use this hand to move the image around. And there are several other tools that you'll want to explore to make your use of the e-text more enjoyable, including a search function. Again, notice this is a new window. You are still in your course, but remember that you're in a different window. Don't let that confuse you. And finally, I'd like to show you that you can go to your toolkit, you can go to your e-text as many times as you like, and if you'll notice as I go back and forth, new windows open with the toolkit or with the text. But what I want you to understand is that once I've left the class, and I'll need to log out, and to do that I'm going to have to open this window a little more. I'm going to log out of our class. Once I've done that, when I go back in, I won't have access anymore. What I'm going to have to do is go to Start Here again and log in. And that may be a little confusing just to say, but let me try to show you what I mean. I click on course